I just vibe coded an app that allowed me to produce the thumbnail you see on this video. Just a few minutes ago, I was amongst the first 1,500 people to be granted access to this new feature from Lovable, the awesome no-code AI web builder, and it's agent mode. Yes, that's right, agent mode is currently in beta, or beta, depending what side of the pond you're on, and it apparently gives you smarter code edits, new capabilities such as web search, image generation, and more, and you pay adaptive pricing based on your actions. Well, of course I want to use now. I'd like you to build me an AI thumbnail generator, kind of like the one MrBeast recently pulled.
There is no AI thumbnail tool, it just doesn't exist. We pulled it down.
Search the web, find out about it, and build me a version. There's my vibe-coded prompt. Let's hit enter and watch the agent go to work. Okay, straight away you'll see it's thinking. This is unusual. We've not seen Lovable thinking before, and now it's already searching the web for MrBeast's AI thumbnail generator recent tool. It understands, it's found out the context, and now it's starting to build a similar AI thumbnail generator. This is absolutely insane. So in real time, we're seeing the Lovable agent in action. It's already started thinking before it starts doing. The other cool thing to note here is pricing. Whereas default messages cost a credit per message and chat mode costs a credit per message, agent mode is usage-based. Now, at first you might say, that sounds really bad. I'm going to get charged more credits now for a task that I was only charged one. It actually says here that some requests can cost less than 1 credit, meaning if you give a really simple task, you're not going to be charged that 1 credit per task no matter what. All right, here we are back. Create viral thumbnails, the same AI technology that powers top creators. Oh my goodness, this is amazing. It's basically built a clone of MrBeast's app in one prompt using the agent to search the web and also think through what it's going to do. Another thing I want you to note here is that the agent can create images, and it says the tool includes a beautiful hero section with an AI-generated background that uses a vibrant design system. So this image here was generated by the Lovable agent. And that's really cool. Okay, can you change that hero image rather than what you've put there currently? I'd like a very small, modest, and low-profile set of lightning bolts behind the hero text. And with that prompt, we'll set the agent into action and watch what it does. You'll see it's generating a new image here. It's already got that image generation prompt. And look at that. Just like magic, we've got lightning bolts behind our hero section now. How much did it cost? Actually, 0.6 credits were used on this occasion, so we used less than a credit to update our header image. But does it work? Let's put in a title for this video, and also I'll go ahead and paste a description in here to make it more accurate. If we click Generate AI Thumbnails and look down below, we can see it's created generic thumbnails. But rather than tell the agent what API to use, I'm going to ask it to find one for me. Okay, at the moment, the app doesn't have an AI image generator to create amazing clickable thumbnails when you click on Generate AI Thumbnails. I've got a replicate.com account, so I would like you to find the best API to use to create amazing thumbnails for this app, preferably with text included on the image, and then implement it into my app, please. We'll hit enter and run this prompt. And immediately, Lovable is going to work thinking about it. It's going to help. And look at this. It's already searching the web for a replicate AI model that will work with this. It's found Flux SDXL, text overlay image generation, and it's found the top recommendations here. This is really cool. It's already suggesting a plan. And what really impresses me here is that it's actually said that I should be using Supabase as my backend and running an edge function on Supabase. Now, I don't need to know what that is. I can just click the Supabase button up here and make a connection. So I'll just click Connect Supabase and we'll connect to a new project that I'll create in my Supabase account. Now, if you don't have one, it's free to set up and we'll just call it Viral Thumbnail Wizard, like so. And then we generate a secure password, choose any location we like, and click Create New Project. Now the project is created, we just simply click to connect to it and we select the Viral Thumbnail Wizard. Lovable will do the rest, connect us together, and we'll be up and running in a moment. So with database connected and a secure place for our API keys, I'll just say that idea you had earlier for the AI image generator model for the thumbnails, implement it please. That's all I should need to say. Now already it's asking me for my replicate API key. Here I am in my replicate account. I'll go to API tokens and I'll just copy one of my API tokens to paste in over here in Lovable under add API key. We'll enter it there, submit, and Lovable will get to work with that. Now you can see already it says perfect. Now I'll implement the AI thumbnail generator using replicate. Remember at this stage as Lovable works away, I didn't need to search across the web, find the right API, decide how I was going to put keys into my app and all those secret things that make AI functions run. I just simply told the agent to do it, and now it's actually writing all the code for me, setting things up in this Supabase database I created, and within a couple of prompts, I should be able to use this feature. By the way, if you're enjoying this so far, definitely come and join my community where we're talking a lot more about features like this and how we can use them to build incredible apps that can become businesses. The link is down below. Now we can actually watch these thumbnails get generated in real time. Now look at this. AI has generated these 4 thumbnails, which are okay, but still a few errors. So I've added this prompt for my agent to work on, remove the text overlay on generated thumbnails, and make sure they only include 3 relevant words, no more than that, and just make the images more interesting. Use the context of the video to make the thumbnail really interesting. And you can see in real time, it's removed the text overlay, and now it will limit to 3 words max as well, make it more contextually interesting. And the cost was just 0.8 credits for this. So again, we've got the same input prompt here. I've had an updated app. We'll generate those thumbnails again and watch for the results down below. And look at this, within moments, we have a MrBeast style thumbnail. Very interesting. Lovable agent mode here. Bit of strange text up the top. This one is very dramatic, and I'm not sure about this one, but we could potentially do something with this one. In fact, I might go ahead and download that before and after thumbnail, and potentially even use it as the thumbnail for this video. By the way, just so you know how this thumbnail was made, I actually saved this. I added my photo and the generated thumbnail here to ChatGPT 4o image generator and said, change the guy on the left to be this person and the guy on the right should be a robot. As tool, I select create an image and we say 16:9 ratio. Once that's finished producing inside ChatGPT 4o image, I just download it, bring it into Replicate Playground, say make the guy on the left a Pixar cartoon character, select 16:9 ratio, upload my ChatGPT image, hit run model, let it produce the image. This is what I get. I download that, pull it into Photoshop, do a little bit of fine tuning, and voila. So as you can see, now we're spending less than a credit on many occasions. Apart from implementing the AI feature, that's only when I paid more, but bug fixes, small updates cost less than a credit now with agent mode inside Lovable, which I actually think is really incredible. And now you really can vibe code an app and have it search the web, generate images, pull in APIs, and I'm probably just scratching the surface with what I did. So let me know in the comments how you'll be using this feature. Thank you so much for watching. Remember to like and subscribe as I do videos like this weekly. Come and join my community if you want to talk more about excellent features like this as they roll out. The link is down below, and YouTube is showing a video on your screen now you should watch next. Thanks.